Hello everybody, this is Shubhra Kanandi from Kolkata, India for Bombay Talkies. I'm just outside the INOX Theatre at the South City Mall, Kolkata, after watching the Hindi movie Ground Zero. This movie's duration is 2 hours 70 minutes. The movie is directed by Tejas Vijay Dioskar. The movie is produced by Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidhwani. The actors in the movie are Imran Hashmi, Syed Tamankar, Zoya Hussain, Mukesh Tiwari and others. Here it is seen in the early 2000s when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. In those times there were terrorist attacks in Delhi and also terrorist attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. Here a commander of the BSF, Border Security Force at that time, was deployed to avenge these events and also to get and nab terrorists. Here it is seen, you see, that the BSF did a very good job, but you see in this movie the script is not well balanced at all between the first half and the second half, and out here it is seen only the BSF activities. You see, you have to show the terrorist activities also, suspense, more creation, suppression, oppression till the end basically, where the terrorists get killed at the end, of course, no doubt about it, they are nabbed. But what is the hell they are giving to people? What is the activities, suspense? What is the swiftness? What is their planning? That is lacking here, in fact, on the way. And what we see is a lot of emotions are there also. But one has to understand one thing, that in these kind of movies you require swift reactions. In these kind of movies you require something new, some new activity, some new action, basically. Cinematography is okay, but still the suppression operation action was not there at all, in fact. A good effort by director Tejas Vijay Dioskar. I'm sure he and his team can make a much better movie than this movie. And since it was an event that has taken place, one has to be very careful of each and every activity that was taken out there by the terrorists. Because here, one main group is the terrorists here, another main group is the BSF. If you only show the BSF is suppressing and BSF is doing all the activities and killing and here and there, where is the activities and the suspense from the terrorist side? That should have been there, in fact. If I were to rate this movie, I would rate this movie 5 out of 10. According to me, the movie is average. All of you, take care. Bye-bye.